Hey guys, you are watching Rameem Daim. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are well. Let's start our video. We are making some type of leaves, three type of leaves, single leaves, combined double leaves, and combined group of leaves. So let's start our first type of leaves. Here's a single type of leaves. Guys, creating leaves with paper offers a beautiful craft that combines simplicity and creativity. Begin by selecting various shades of green paper, considering the diverse hues found in nature. Cut out leaf shapes, experimenting with different sizes and designs for a visually appealing assortment. As you can see, it will be a beautiful craft. I hope you also like it. And yes, we done with it. That single leaves. I hope you will like it. Guys, once you have your people, explore different techniques to conjunct them seamlessly. One approach is to carefully layer and glue leaves together, creating depth and texture. Alternately, attach leaves to thin wire stems, allowing you to arrange them in charming bouquets and or incorporate them into larger artistic projects. But guys, I want to tell something new that you will be a find conjuncted two conjuncted leaves together, and you have not to do single type of leaves, and after that you will you will connect them with glue. No, it's just wasting of time. That's why I am giving you the idea of combined leaves. I hope you will like it, guys. And so let's talk again with the beauty of and uses of leaves. To enhance the realistic feel, guys, add several details by scoring the paper with fins or using watercolors for gentle shading. This paper leaf project not only serves as a delightful crafting interior, but also offers a beautiful press representation for nature's elegance within your artistic creations. But guys, when you use watercolors, you again waste your time in giving shades of waters. So that's why I hope instead of using watercolors, you have to use colored papers. These type of colored papers for crafting, and you save your time, and also you will feel beauty in these papers. I hope, guys, you will also like it. I don't say that watercolor is not right for you, is not beautiful. Watercolors is amazing. I also using watercolors in my some crafting and creating new ideas. But guys, it's amazing to have you colored paper. You should must try it, guys. This is not only enhance their visual appeal but also adds a touch of realism to your paper foliage. For a more dynamic display, experiment with layering leaves, creating depths and dimension in your arrangement. So we are almost done our project crafting leaves. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you will like it and you want more videos, so press the bell icon.